So for about 7 months, I've been using this Garmin Forerunner 255. Yes, in the day of the 970, I'm using a 255. I bought it because at the time I was an Apple person. I wasn't sure if I was really going to like the Garmin, so I figured why drop $800 on a watch that I would wind up not liking. Anyway, as you know, if you're a Garmin user, you know that there's all sorts of gadgets and all sorts of features that are buried deep in the menu systems of these watches. One feature that I found is called the Metronome. Now, what the Metronome does is it buzzes you on the wrist or gives you a tone that kind of helps you keep a certain pace as you run. For me, that's useful because as I run, my pace just kind of varies and it just never is very stable, but the metronome kind of keeps me close to the range I want to be in. So what I thought today I would do is just a quick video on how I use the metronome, how you can set it up, and some of the cool features for it. All right, so let's take a look and open it up. Okay, let's say you want to do a run and you want to do it at a particular pace. To change the pace, first you have to turn the metronome on. So you press and hold the middle button, scroll down to Activities and Apps, Run Settings, scroll down to Metronome. Alright, let's turn it on. Now our beats per minute right now is 120 beats per minute, so let's change that. Let's say we want to do maybe 130 beats per minute. So you just push it up to this. Confirm it. Alright, you can figure out how often you want to hear it. So for my case, I have it going every fourth beat. You can pick how you want to be notified. You can pick tone, vibration, both, or none. I guess it just flashes. But let's just pick tone. Normally I like to use just vibration, but for this purpose we'll use tone. Okay, so now everything is set the way we want it. Let's go back. And let's start a run. Here we go. Now you can hear the beep. Here's the metronome setting right here, and you can tell by the light how I have it going off every fourth beat. Real quick, if you like this kind of content and you find this is useful, consider liking and subscribing because it helps out my channel and helps me be able to keep making content like this. But if you don't want to fiddle through the menus on your watch, you can do it through the app as well. So let's open Garmin Connect. Go to your watch. Okay, go to Activities and Apps. Run. Metronome. And again, it's all the same settings that are on your watch. You can turn on or off. How many beats per minute. We'll do 172. Done. You can change the alert frequency. You can change the type of alert, vibration or tone, or both. And when you're done with your settings, scroll back, refresh your watch, and you're good to go. Okay, now what if your particular workout happens to have multiple intervals in it, and each interval the pace has to change? Now there's no easy way to preset the beats per minute per interval before you start, but you can change the interval in the middle of the workout. So you can see the clock running here. If I want to change the metronome now to something else, I'll just press and hold the middle button, go into Run Settings. I'll scroll down to Metronome. I'll scroll down to beats per minute, and let's move it up really high so we can really hear the difference. How about up to 180? Confirm. And you can hear the pace picking up already. And we're back to our workout. The timer's been running the whole time. Our metronome pace is different now. So the one drawback is that you have to spend a couple seconds in your interval to set the pace to what you want it to be, but you can do it. So if you want to change it again, you just go through that whole process over again. Well, that about wraps it up for the metronome. There's all sorts of other little things in here that I found kind of interesting, and maybe I'll make some more videos on those. But on that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.